Hello, my name is Jude Marcus, and in this presentation, I will talk about the company that I think is interesting to invest in for the long term. The industry I think is interesting to invest in is the construction industry. This is a industry that is very old and that I think will be here for the long time, or I think for or forever, because buildings need to be built for the housing of people, and the buildings that are staying and that are here right now need maintenance, and the future buildings that are being built need to be built sustainable. So if there are buildings that are being destroyed right now, they need that material needs to be used for the future projects and the future buildings that are being built to house the people that need housing, and for the buildings that need to be built for the growing public that also need for the people that also need housing. The few in the four the the 4 to 5 innovations that are happening right now in the construction in the industry are the implication of AI that helps companies make better decisions regarding management and choosing uh, a material for a certain project. The IoT sensors, which revolutionize the creating and management aspect of a construction project. The implication of digital twins. This helps for better co- communication within the construction industry. So between companies and contracts of a certain project, which right now is not very good. 3D printing. 3D printers reduce the risk on a construction site, because there are less builders being used to make uh, to make certain elements that are required for a building or for a construction of a building. The printers work faster, work longer, and are more efficient, and need less people to operate them. Sustainability. Sustainability is being introduced because uh, the construction industry uses too much new materials and don't reuse the old materials that are available right now. So we need to make a system where we reuse the old materials and don't use new materials as much. I think Autodesk is one of the biggest companies and one of the biggest providers of the 3D modeling software. And this software that they provide, everybody uses. So everybody from North America to Asia knows what Autodesk is and which softwares they provide for 3D modeling. And what is nice about their softwares work with each other. So if I draw a drawing on AutoCAD, I can use that drawing in Revit a to make another drawing. The future. I think the technological aspect of the construction in industry is has a lot of potential, because the construction industry right now has not enough workers for the amount of for the amount of work pressure there is. So there is a lot of ask for homes. So the government asks construction companies to make apartment complexes, to make homes, etc., to house people, but there are not enough workers. So um, the gap between not having enough workers and filling in the workload that is required needs to be breached. So this as this asks for a more efficient and more convenient way of working. And I think that the technological aspect of the construction industry could could bridge that gap and give the convenience and the efficiency needed to fill in the work pressure and the fact that there are not enough workers. Looking at the financial statements of Autodesk, I think this is also a good investment because because the PE is high. I actually put those numbers in the assignment so that I can look at it better. So I think we're gonna look at it here. So the profitability ratio is very high, so they make a lot of money. The liquidity and the solvency and the growth are low, but the but this means that they don't have enough money to that goes around to cover the debt and to pay the interest. That is not something good, but looking at the future and the potential they have to provide the convenience and the efficiency that that the technological aspect of the construction company can give to to the the people that need it and to solve the problem with, I think that I think that this is a good long-term investment to make. So in short, I think no, people in general want convenience and efficiency, and I think that that technology gives that to people. Autodesk is one of the biggest technological companies in the construction industry who provide a 3D modeling software, and with the innovations going on and the reduction in workers and the growing working pressure, I think that Autodesk can provide efficiency and a convenience in the future in the technological aspect, being one of the biggest or the biggest company in this space in the technological in the construction industry. So they can provide a very big technological efficiency and a convenience software or a very good program that can help people with the problem they have not having enough workers and with the problem they have with the huge workload. I think they can give them a software or a product that can help reduce those two problems. And the numbers, the profitability rate ratio is very good. So I think that reflects also that there is growth in the company and that they have grown potential in the future. So I think it's a good long-term investment if you look at the technological convenience and efficiency they can give to the construction in industry. This was my presentation. Thank you for listening.